Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing one console. Sign in with the account that holds Game Pass and make that console your home Xbox. Do this now because home Xbox unlocks digital game and Game Pass access for other profiles. Once set, everyone on that console can play. Next, add each family Microsoft account to the console under Profiles Add. Make sure the subscription is active and the owner stays signed in at least once so licenses register. This prevents later access failures when someone attempts to download or launch games. Once done with the home Xbox step, add each person's account and sign them in so their profiles exist locally. Then, from the owner account, confirm settings General Personalization My Home Xbox is enabled. This is the licensing pivot that grants access. After that, have family members download the Game Pass games they want. Downloading ensures faster launches and offline play. Make sure to update games and allow installs. If storage is tight, prioritize titles. Finally, set parental limits. If needed so content and playtime remain managed. Complete the setup by having each family member launch a downloaded Game Pass title to verify access. You'll know it's working when the game starts without prompting for purchase. If something fails, first sign the owner out and back in, then go to Settings Account, Restore Licenses to refresh rights. If that doesn't help, reassign the home Xbox from the owner account and repeat the add sign-in flow. Finally, remember why this matters. The home Xbox shares licenses locally, so billing remains centralized on the owner's subscription.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.